Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a new and fun math trick. It is called the Make 10 rule. In this lesson, we will learn the Make 10 rule for 9, 8 and 7. When you know this rule, maths becomes easy and fun and you will enjoy maths. Okay, let's see the Make 10 rule. For 9, take 1 to make 10. For 8, take 2 to make 10. For 7, take 3 to make 10. This rule is very easy to use when solving sums. Now let's take some examples. 1 plus 9 plus 5. 1, yes, plus 9. For 9, take 1, add 10, then add 5. Answer is 10, 15. Answer is 15, right? Next, 4 plus 9 plus 5 plus 1. First add 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Add 9, for 9, take 1, add 10, plus 5, plus 1. Let's count 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Answer is 19. Now 3 plus 5 plus 1 plus 9. For 3, add 3, 1, 2, 3, add 5, plus 1. For 9, take 1, add 10. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Answer is 18. 2 plus 7 plus 9 plus 1. Add 2, then 7, 5, 6, 7. Plus 9, for 9 take 1, add 10, plus 1. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Answer is 19. Okay. Now 3 plus 8 plus 1. Add 3, 1, 2, 3. For 8, take 2. Yes, make 10 rule. You have to see. Add 10. And then plus 1. Answer is 10, 11, 12. Answer is 12. Now 4 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2. Add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. For 8, take 2. 1, 2. Add 10. Plus 5 plus 2. 1, 2. Let's count 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Answer is 19. Next 9 plus 8 plus 1 plus 1. First add 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For 8 take 2, 1, 2, add 10, plus 1, then plus 1. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Answer is 19. Now 4 plus 7 plus 2. Add 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 7. See the make 10 rule. For 7, take 3. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Add 10. Plus 2, 1, 2. 10, 11, 12, 13. Answer is 13. Now 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 2. First add 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? For 7, take 3, 1, 2, 3, add 10, plus 1, then add 2, 1, 2, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Answer is 19. Now 1 plus 7 plus 7 plus 2. First add 1, then add 7, 5, 6, 7, then add 7. For 7, take 3, 1, 2, 3, add 10, plus 2, 1, 2. 10, 15, 16, 17. So answer is 17. Yes, great job everyone. Today we learned the Mach 10 rule. Remember, 9 needs 1, 8 needs 2, 7 needs 3. This rule helps us add numbers easily. So keep practicing every day. See you next time. Bye bye.